Okay, got Shirley Stab here. I don't know what to say except got her. She's probably my favorite of the year. And her box is actually surprisingly big. Here's the side views, typical spirit box. But yeah, let's. I should probably find a different place to do this because I live right next to a busy road. But oh well. Alright, so let's just get to the unboxing portion. Okay, so I already looked in the box a little bit. But yeah, I'm so glad with these tabs. Like before that I'm gonna have to stick my finger in there. Oh, I ripped that. Oh well. And here's what you see right as you get it. Now let's see if I can do this one-handed with my non-dominant hand. Oh, there's her face. I might just have to slide the box off. Okay, I think this will be it. Okay, or not. I'll get that out really quickly. Okay, so got her open and she's in a bunch of plastic bags. So then I came prepared because these ties suck. So let's go. So we have this leg right here. This other leg. Oh, okay, there's another one by her neck. Hold on, let's see if I can get that. There you go. Here's her head, chest right here. I think this is like a hip bracket. Oh, I'm gonna go look at the instructions. Here's the instructions. I think the adapter might be in that box right here because I don't see it. And this is Techie's, and they usually have it like on the side somewhere. Here's her dress. Comes with her arms already attached. Two for one? Oh, that was already cut. Never mind. Here's 4 pulls, and I'm just gonna do that off screen. It's really tight. Okay, so here's all the parts. We got the little hip bracket, base, 4 pulls, control box, outfit with hands, the left and right leg, and head and chest. Okay, so before I start the build, I just want to say the neighbor might be mowing. I mean, I don't know why he would be. I mean, it's almost 6 in the afternoon. Oh well, so let's start with A pulls. Of course, I'm gonna have the snap locks face y'all. A goes to A. And B goes, and then A, well, A also goes to A. Yeah, there's also a B goes to B. And B goes to B, and I know y'all probably can't see this. But, well, whatever works, works. Okay, so that was weird. I was about to record me putting the legs on, and this car drove up, slowed down to the curb like I was gonna park and then drove off. So, they probably think I'm a serial killer. I mean, holding a leg like this feels really wrong. So, yeah, I turned this around to the front so it's easier for me. Because I'm not the best with left and right. But this is the right. I mean, you can tell right here. And you put on... Just slide it. Slide it. Yeah, I'll go fix that later. There's these hooks that's supposed to keep them from sliding, and it's not going on. So let's just do this. There you go, that one slid on. Maybe this just needs to be angled a little bit. And I'll go figure that out after this. Okay, so I guess I'm going to be using the GoPro the rest of the time. And of course, right as I start talking, a car comes by. Well, then you take this control box. And you put it on like that. And you take this shoulder frame, not shoulder frame, waist frame. And just... Okay, yeah, this should work. Alright, now we're gonna get to the upper body stuff. Okay, so before I put this on, this has some shaping mesh on it, which I think is pretty cool. I just realized you can also see the circuit board for the IR sensor. Okay, there's literally no cars coming by while I was getting ready for this part. And I was talking to my sister, and now all the cars want to go. Okay. Yeah, this is still facing back, like the instructions have it. And I don't care for putting it forward right now. So you just drape it over, but because it's techie, there's also, the arms are also pre-attached. So that looks a little sad, but it's gonna go forward now. Okay, so I lied because I'm pretty sure you guys would like to see the little snap lock. And people are driving by and they're probably thinking, oh, what the hell is this kid doing again? I don't know. But I'll go move this closer. There you go. Now it's time to face her. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the stand up so I can do the rest, so you can see. But yeah, I don't know. She just looks really good. Okay, so this might take me a little while, so I might learn to fast forward if it does, like speed things up. But basically, oh, this really does feel weird being behind her. Oh, I can see why the instructions had it on the back now. Now this looks a little scuffed, but I'll fix it. So I'll just Velcro it right now, just a little bit, so I could get. Okay, never mind. I guess no Velcro. But there's some snap locks just right inside. Okay, got this arm on. Okay, now this one might be... Actually, no, not very difficult, it seems. I'll just turn this around because of the mechanism right here that makes it move. Okay, never mind, this is just wobbly. The mechanism's actually, yeah, it's actually right here. I mean, when she first released, she was like $220, now she's now she's 180. That's such a better price for her. But yeah, I'll go get her clothes on so she stops exposing herself and get her wired up, and then I should really find a different recording spot. Then I'll get to the demo. Okay, got her all wired up, plug in, let's see if she works. I also should probably fix, oh, there she goes. Okay, let me go unplug her before she's loud. Okay, so the activation was longer than I thought. But she's a little... I gotta fix that. And her collar. But, she's really good, actually. I would recommend buying her if you do. So, yeah, that's all. Goodbye.